हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल इंग्लिश टीजीटी पीजीटी यूजीसी। आज हम लोग बीपीएससी टीजीटी पीजीटी का पीवाईक्यू देखेंगे। जीएस पार्ट का, जीके जीएस में जो पूछा गया था टायर 1, टायर 2, टायर 3। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं आज का क्विक रिवीजन। पहला क्वेश्चन है 16 महाजनपद के टॉपिक के रिलेटेड। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, मगध एंड अंगा प्लेन्स आर पार्ट ऑफ ईच ऑफ द फ्लोइंग। ऑप्शंस आर Upper Ganga Valley, Middle Ganga Valley, Lower Ganga Valley, more than one of the above, none of the above. The answer is Middle Ganga Valley. The Middle Ganga plain extends to eastern Uttar Pradesh and entire Bihar. Its average height is 50 to 100 meters. Magad and Anga are situated in the Middle Ganga plain. The Middle Ganga plain is famous for agriculture. Next question is Mauryan and post-Mauryan period. In which place was Kautilya a professor of political science and economics? Options are Nalanda, Patliputra, Takshila, more than one of the above, none of the above. The answer is Takshila. Takshila, Kautilya, also known as Chanakya, was a famous Indian economist, philosopher, and political advisor. He was a professional of political science and economics at the ancient Takshila University. He wrote the book Arthashastra. Next question is on the topic 16th Mahajanpads. Third question is the iron pillar, a wonder of ancient Indian metallurgy, is situated in which city? Option are Pune, Delhi, Lucknow, more than one of the above, none of the above. The answer is Delhi. The iron pillar, an example of an ancient Indian metallurgy, is located in Delhi. It stands in the Qutub complex and is renowned for its rust resistant composition. It is over 7 meters tall and erected by Chandragupta to Vikramaditya as a victory column. Next question is on the topic miscellaneous. The historical area called Dakshinapath is extended. Options are between Vindhyachal mountain range and Krishna river, between Vindhyachal mountain range and Kaveri river, between Satpura mountain range and Nilgiri, more than one of the above, none of the above. The answer is more than one of the above. That is, in Indian history, the Dakshinapath region includes the area from Vindhya mountain range to Krishna river and the Kaveri river. It also includes the area of Satpura to Nilgiri mountain range. Hence, more than one of the above option will be correct. Thus, the option D will be the desired answer. Next question is on medieval history. Ibn Battuta, the famous Muslim explorer who came to India during the reign of Muhammad bin Tughlaq, belonged to which country? Options are Afghanistan, Morocco, Iraq, more than one of the above, none of the above. The answer is Morocco. The famous explorer and traveler Ibn Battuta, who came during the reign of Sultanate period Tughlaq dynasty ruler Muhammad bin Tughlaq, was a resident of Morocco in Africa. He reached Sindh province of India in the year 1333 via the route of Central Asia. Muhammad bin Tughlaq 1325 to 1351 AD appointed Ibn Battuta as the Qazi or judge of Delhi. Thank you.